Hi, I am Nicky Clements, and you guys have a good week? I missed you. Did you miss me? No? Eh, that's fine. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling a video last week. There's actually been a video I've been trying to make for a couple weeks now, and I don't know, just I've definitely been busy. I've certainly been doing. I've been putting in new windows on my house, actually. See, I got a new roof earlier in the year, and so that obviously means I needed new windows, because, well, the new roof meant I also needed new gutters, of course, and, well, I also needed new soffits, and, well, new soffits meant I needed new siding, and so, of course, new siding means I need new windows. Homeownership sucks. There's like 8 windows on the house that needed replacing. Thankfully, we actually replaced 4 on the bottom of the house about 5-6 years ago, so at least that's a little bit we don't have to do, but yeah, that's just one of many things I've been taking up some time, and just, you know, haven't been feeling up to doing this. But I really didn't want to miss another upload, and so I was really going to try and do the video I've been wanting to do, but something happened as I was getting ready to do that. This is the Huion Canvas Pro 13 display tablet. This is not sponsored by Huion. Jazza just showed this off recently, and he had a coupon code, and it was a really good deal. So I went and grabbed myself one. And you know it's not sponsored because I only bought the tablet. I didn't get myself a stand. And if it was sponsored, they would have sent a stand. And now I'm kind of regretting not getting the stand because I wanted to use this for the video, and I don't really have any way to prop it up. So instead of just doing that and then doing the video I wanted to do, I'm going to do a video on what I'm going to do to prop this up. And I'm just going to use some foam core to make a really simple stand, and I figured that'd be worth showing off because this is just a great building material. It's great for prototyping, and for something like this where I just need to kind of prop it up a little bit, it is pretty much the perfect thing to use. The unit is about 14.5 inches wide, so I'll make the stand just a little bit smaller. And it is about 8.5 inches tall. Now I want to just score it, so I want to cut about halfway through. That way we can just fold it over. So I'm just going to lightly cut through the top layer of paper. Perfect. Do I want to get, maybe I want to get fancy and put like a little lip or something on here. Do something, do I want to cut it on this side or the other side? I cut that on the wrong side, didn't I? Okay, hold on. As I started working, I realized I wanted to make it a little bit more complicated than I was thinking, so I'm actually going to revert a little bit and actually just do a sketch of how I think it should be designed, and then I'm actually going to make a small model of it first, that way I can figure out which side I need to make my cuts on, and then we can jump into the full-size build. So yeah, that's probably better. Yeah, something more like that, but I think more slanted. I don't need to get fancy and make it adjustable. I just need it one fixed size just for right now. Okay. Cut off a piece here. Okay. Whatever side you cut, it bends on the opposite side. So it's okay. And down. Yeah, something like that. I think I want to make the lip a lot smaller though. Okay. At least I know which side I need to have all my cuts on. So pretty much they're all on the same side except one on the back. 8 inches over. That, why did I think there was a mark there? I cut it really crooked. Hi! Do I look dirty and disheveled? Significantly more than I did a few seconds ago? Yeah, I just ended up installing 2 more windows. So, but that means 1 more to go. And when I say I mean my dad actually did a lot of the work, but hey, I helped. What's that from? Is it Shake and Bake? And I helped.
It's Shake and Bake, and I help.
Anyway, let's just get this thing done. Yeah, there's something like that. So then here. At least I know which side I need to have all my cuts on. No, that's actually right. Nope. It's not actually right. Huh. Okay. That's what tape's for. Right about that is pretty fine. Let's see if I can get fancy here and cut on a... Yeah, it didn't work. That's fine. I have a thing that I should probably pull out that would let me do that, but Alright, now we're just going to hot glue it together. Okay, well, I have to wait for the hot glue to dry anyway, so I might as well play with this thing for a second. I think I can just use this 45 cut along with that. Hey! Alright, that worked. Cool. Except what? That's fine. Just cut this off and tape it on. Alright, so that is cool. And there's this makes like circles too, and then there's like this whole thing that rides on there like that. So I don't know, it does a bunch of stuff, but it's just a little cumbersome and confusing. Okay. That is not straight at all. Cool. Orange. Okay. So yeah, you could just cut out all the individual pieces and then tape them together, but it's just nicer to use the paper as a natural hinge. Yeah, we'll go up a bit higher. Okay, so So first I want to actually glue the front hinge portion down. Be better if I'm not going to mess with chamfer. I'm just going to stick a bunch of hot glue in here and that should be good. Oh, it'd be good if the thing was even on. This was supposed to be easy. It is easy, especially if you plan out ahead of time instead of just being an idiot. The red light means it's turned on. Okay. This is kind of a cool cutting tool. Yeah, that will work a lot nicer, actually. Funny how things work better when you do it properly. Alright, should be good to go. Memory card full. Just have to get through this video. Okay. Nice. How about this front strip? I think I'm just going to put a piece of gaffer tape over it. This is just really nice, high quality fabric tape, very often used in the film industry, but it's really great for a lot of stuff, but it's just really expensive too. All right, there we go. That looks great. Of course, that's perfect. That works excellent. I really like that lip on the bottom. I mean, that looks, you can't even see it. I mean, it does what it needs to do. I mean, of course, the one you can buy from Huion is gonna be nice and compact and you can take it with you. This, not so much, but if you just need it in one place or you just need something in a pinch like I did, some dollar store foam core, a bit of hot glue, some tape just to class it up, but really isn't all that necessary. There you go. It's a really great material to work with, super easy to work with, especially if you plan ahead. I even just did another foam core project in the kitchen. It took me like 5 minutes, but it solved a problem with storage in one of my cupboards that I've been having for like 5 years. So there's basically two ways to approach a cabinet or a cupboard. Actually, is there a difference? Hey, is there a difference between cabinet and cupboard?
This might answer your question. The Cabinet of Japan is the executive branch of the government.
Alexa, stop, please, thank you. Hey, is there a difference between cupboard and cabinet?
On the website english.stackexchange.com, they say, a cupboard is a closed piece of furniture with one or more doors and possibly shelves. A cabinet is more like a closet and might be built into a wall or a separate piece of furniture. Cabinets are typically considered general-purpose storage, while cupboards are more for food and dishes.
Thank you, Google.
That's what I'm here for.
So yeah, it's a cupboard. And so there's two ways to approach it. You can basically have it full of stuff, but then it's really hard to get stuff out of it. Or you can have it mostly empty, but everything is super easy to get out. But I wanted to get just a little bit more storage out of this cabinet, so I made these little shelves just out of some foam core. It took maybe 5 minutes, and they hold these little plastic cups, and I glued one of the cups to the shelf, that way they just slide on top, and when the door wiggles, they don't go anywhere. It's just super convenient. I get that much extra space out of this cabinet, but I don't have to move anything out of the way or reach behind stuff. They're just right here. I can grab a cup, grab a top if I need it. So yeah, this cabinet has been great to use lately, all thanks to just a couple pieces of foam core. And you can make it out of something nicer, like wood or something, but honestly, it's all paper and plastic products in here anyway, so I think it fits right in. And it's doing exactly what it needs to do, which is make this cabinet so much more efficient and nicer to use. So I think it looks great. See, I'll just put those back where they go. Hey, who remembers the dead things basket? Nothing dead right now. All right, well now I have that all taken care of, so I can hopefully record the video that I've been wanting to record. And hopefully I'll do that maybe right now. Probably not, but soon, and should have it ready next week. My sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nicky Clements, if you're wondering. Nicky short for Nicholas, and the D stands for display tablet stand. Anyway, I'm off to make something else. Too tight?